نريد رئيسا يحمل غصن الزيتون بيد والسهم بيد أخرى. نريد رئيسا له خبرة سنوات، وأعتقد أنني ذلك الشخص.
That Senator Obama has the knowledge or experience. I have the ability and the knowledge and the background to make the right judgments to keep this country safe and secure. I don't think I need any on-the-job training. I'm ready to go at it right now. I don't think I need any on-the-job training. I'm ready to go at it right now.
I have said that Senator McCain will bring a lifetime of experience to the campaign. I will bring a lifetime of experience, and Senator Obama will bring a speech that he gave in 2002. I think that is a significant difference.
جو بايدن، ورقة أوباما الرابحة في وجه مزاعم منتقديه بالافتقار إلى الخبرة في الشؤون الخارجية.
You were asked, is he ready? You said, I think he can be ready, but right now I don't believe he is. The presidency is not something that lends itself to on-the-job training.
I think that I stand by the statement.
Barack Obama says he's prepared to be commander-in-chief, to be president. Let's look at his resume. Out of law school, he becomes a street organizer in Chicago. In 1997, he's sworn in as a part-time Illinois state senator. In the legislature, he avoids tough votes on abortion, crime, and guns by voting present instead of yes or no. In 2005, he's sworn in as the junior U.S. senator from Illinois. After only 1 year and passing but one bill, he runs for president. Does Barack Obama's thin resume prepare him to hold the most powerful office in the world? Does he have the judgment that experience informs to be commander-in-chief? Barack Obama, lacking experience, not ready to be commander-in-chief.
I'm a big supporter and a vocal supporter, and the biggest issue that I constantly hear brought up about you is the lack of experience, the inexperience issue, and I hear it amongst my friends, you read about it in the press, I'm sure you've had to answer lots of questions about it. Without getting into, frankly, I guess you can, but without getting into whether experience makes a difference or not, but what are you actually going to do to address this perceived weakness and allow a lot of voters that want to get behind you and want to support you to get past this issue of inexperience?
Right. Well, look, first of all, Sergey and Larry didn't have a lot of experience starting a Fortune 100 company. And just like a waving flag, and then it goes back, and then it goes back, and then it goes back, and then it goes. When I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like I am a believer in knowing what you're doing when you apply for a job, and I think that if I were to seriously consider running on a national ticket, I would essentially have to start now before having served a day in the Senate. Now, there's some people who might be comfortable doing that, but I'm not one of those people.
فاز أوباما بمقعد في مجلس شيوخ ولاية إلينوي عام 96، وخلال فترة عمله التشريعي عمل في التشريعات الخاصة بالرعاية الاجتماعية والأخلاقيات، بالإضافة إلى تشريع يقضي بالتسجيل الإلكتروني لاستجوابات الشرطة.
إنما تعالى شوف بلد مثلا زي أمريكا، تلاقي أوباما الحالي ده كان محامي، عنده مكتب محاماة،
زميل يعني
كويس، محامي، ولم يتولى لا رئيس لا عمل تنفيذي ولا رئيس ولاية ولا حاجة أبدا، وإنما رؤية سياسية.
What we're looking for, I believe, when it comes to leadership is judgment, vision,
character.
الناس دول فاهمين أن الرئيس شغلته الرؤية السياسية، النفاذ، إنه يبقى فاهم هياخدني منين ويوديني فين.
For somebody who will chart a course and say, here's where America needs to go. Here's how we need to solve our energy crisis. Here's how we need to revamp our education system.
أما أوباما فأوباما بالفعل كان محامي وكان بيمارس العمل السياسي الشعبي بالصورة اللي أنا بقولها دي، وما أصبحش يا دكتور أسامة، وحضرتك أعرف مني بكده، احنا المفروض بنتعلم ده من حضرتك، ما أصبحش عضو في مجلس الشيوخ إلا قبل 1.5 سنة فقط من ترشحه للرئاسة. ومعنى كده وأنا مترشح لمجلس الشعب سنة 95 قبل ترشحي للرئاسة ب16 سنة، ثم قبل 2005 قبل ترشحي للرئاسة ب6 سنين. إذا الممارسة السياسية، وفي المرتين فزت وحضرتك تعلم هذا على الأقل قضائيا يعني كعنوان للحقيقة. إذا أنا قبل الرئاسة ب16 سنة عندي شهادة بأنني كنت سياسيا، وقبلها ب6 سنين كنت سياسيا، وفي مجلس نقابة المحامين كنت نائبا لرئيس اللجنة السياسية.
سنحيا كراما برغم القيود، سنحيا كراما حياة الأسود، حزما